168 hours make up a week. But how many of those hours is your CNC workshop truly running? At 22:33, while most lights are off, our CNC machines are still in motion, working tirelessly to help customers meet deadlines earlier than expected. At the start of this video, you saw the delivery of oversized lifters and inserts. These are not ordinary parts. They are proof of our ability to handle complex and demanding mold components with precision and reliability. For 16 years, Clevermould has been fully dedicated to CNC machining for mold components. Day and night, week after week, we remain focused on one mission: supporting our customers with accuracy, speed, and commitment. This is the kind of dedication you can rely on. And perhaps it's the kind of dedication you'll fall in love with. If your project needs support, don't feel pressured. Reach out to us anytime. We are here to help.